Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, yesterday was not doing well, so was unable to make video yesterday, but today we are back at it again, and but we did have some good trades. Okay, yesterday we traded this in Nifty and it gave us a good risk to reward ratio here. Okay, we captured on it to 4 and then we exited it. We did not hold it because below this is where next I have. So this trade was like this, and today we did not get any trades because this 15-minute candle came, and here, because this was the first time it's trying to breach, I was not very sure, but here we have a trade. Okay, in this place we do have a position here like this. Below this candle is my stop loss, and my target I'm looking forward for this. Okay, this is the target I'm looking forward to. Okay, so this is how trade looks. So tomorrow, if freshly, let me clearly mark this. So if I get a price of 21,520 or 21,535, anywhere close to this range, I'll be shorting it. I'll be adding more position to it and I'll be shorting it. Okay, because the market is trying to take a U-turn and it's really good to capture this kind of market. So I'll be shorting it. If it crosses below 21,415 or 20 and below, I'll be shorting it aggressively. Okay, so this is my plans for tomorrow. This is a good downfall, which is really good. We were expecting this because of this red candle. We were expecting this, and we captured it. Whoever captured it would have made very good profit. So this is the action for tomorrow. And Bank Nifty, we are still holding this trade. In 5 minutes candle, we entered here, and we are still holding this trade. Okay, so tomorrow, this moves here for tomorrow. This is how the trade's gonna look. Okay, so below, if it crosses anywhere like this, like 47,420 and below, I'll be shorting it. Okay, and my stop loss will be, and this is my stop, this is my target. This will be my target. This is a big target. I know my stop loss will be, let's keep it like 60 to 70 points target is what I'm keeping here. Okay, so earlier we used to keep 30-40 points. Market used to give that stop losses, but now market doesn't give that kind of stop losses. Any stop losses below is above or 30 points only. So 60 to 70 points is what the stop loss will be on this tomorrow. This is US oil. So US oil, I'm shorting it here now because this is a very good shorting opportunity for me. I'm looking forward to short this now, and this is my target. Okay, I know this is an uptrend, but shorting is what I see here. I'm able to see only a short here in this thing, so I'm shorting it right now, and my stop loss is 25 points. Okay, 25.2. I can keep even 30 points now because I have leverage. So because I did not trade anything today, I was out. So this is how my trade is for now in crude oil. So I have shorted it exactly here at 6063. 6063 we have shorted, and stop loss is at 30 points, which is this 6093 is our stop loss. Just a minute. 6093. Yeah, so we have shorted this. This is kind of a counter trend, but I'll tell you the reason behind this trade. If you go to US oil, and if you see, this is a trend line in 4-hour time frame. See, it's just the third time it's coming. So short it and hold it. Short and hold it. This might be in 15 minutes. We are able to see it has engulfed. You see, this candle has been engulfed. It might go up again, hit my stop loss, and again come down. I'm ready for it. I'm okay to take 1, 2 stop losses, 3 stop losses here, which is totally fine. But I want to enter early as much as possible. This, you can call this FOMO. Market might go up from here and then take time and then break down. It's totally fine. But I've shorted here just because of this. In 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, this is a very good trend line coming down. Okay, so in gold, it was a beautiful trade. So below this is where we were shorting. Okay, so what happened, we entered this trade, we had a stop loss, we kept quiet. Again we entered this trade here. In this candle we entered, above this was the stop loss. Again we got stopped, and we entered here. Okay, we got stopped in the very next candle. Okay, then I stayed quiet and not trade. I entered here today in the noon, and now I'm holding this trade. Okay, so this is how the trade looks for me now. I'm in profit. I'm not looking at this now. So let's see how this market works. If it's gonna cross 2072 and below, it's gonna come to a very good downfall. But for us now, we are getting 1:4. here 2 stop loss are totally fine, we can ignore them, because small stop losses is how we it's a part of business, guys. It's a part of business, you have to accept it. Okay, and we have 4 stocks for swing trading. First is RPPL. It's Rajshri Polypack in weekly time frame. If you see, it was a downtrend, another aggressive downtrend, and this is another aggressive downtrend. But if you guys see clearly, the lows are getting shifted. Okay, this low was taken, but then after that this low was not taken. It shifted to high. It's a high, then it shifted to another high, then after that it shifted to this high. Okay, so now what I'm expecting is, if the price crosses 240 rupees and above, I will be looking forward to buy it. And if you see on a daily time frame, this is a good consolidation. Okay, this is a very good consolidation phase. This has been consolidating for almost 96 days, which is really good. No, not 96 days, sorry. It was consolidating for 83 days, which is good. Sorry for the numbers there. If it gives a breakout, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy this stock. Okay, next one is Heranba Industries. Heranba Industries in a weekly time frame, it aggressively came down. Okay, after the launch, it started coming down aggressively. There was no hope whatsoever. But then here we see slowly it started to going up, and there is volume also in this. I don't have a volume in this because only trading view allows only 2 indicators for now. Good volumes were also seen on the MarketSmith. If you see, you'll be able to see that. So if it crosses 444, or 444 or 445 and above, I will be looking forward to buy it. And my first target will be this, that is 545. So you please use a risk management to trade this. Okay. Next is HFCL Limited. HFCL Limited in the triangle pattern is given a breakout, and this is a resistance which has been crossed. Tomorrow, if it survives this level, that is, if I get a price of 87 rupees, 86 rupees, or 89 rupees, I will be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 85 rupees. 83 rupees. Sorry, stop loss will be at 83 rupees. Okay, there is a higher potential for this stock to go out because it's been consolidating for a very, very long time. And the last stock, what we're gonna see is Sequence. Sequence Signs is good, looking good. Sequence Signs is looking good. It was on a very good cup and a handle pattern is what they say. This is a cup and this is a handle, but this is a very small handle. People usually expect this kind of a handle, which is fine. Still, this also works. You won't get accurate, so it's fine. So if I get a price of 133, okay, 133 to 133 to 132, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 122 rupees or 25 rupees. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information in this video. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. The reason why I'm not uploading more and more strategy video is simply because I'm a very practical person when it comes to trading. Strategies are just a type, confirmation for you to trade or stick to a plan and trade, but psychology, money management, risk management is what actually trading is about. Alright, so thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe, so it will be helpful for me to reach my audience. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.